You can see how I'm doing it. Then after slicing it into these tiny pieces, if you want, you can blend it, but in today's video I will not be blending it. After chopping it, I will fry it like this. You can see how lovely and smoothful it is. So cool. So guys, I am done cutting the aloe vera. You can see how good and nice it is. So the next thing we have to do now is to move over to the frying method. So here I have my pan and my coconut oil. Followed by the adding of the aloe vera. So you can see how it is here. We are in the frying process. So when you are frying your oil, you have to leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes before you can turn off your gas. So guys, we are done. So after frying the aloe vera with the coconut oil, this is how it should look like. You can see how colorful it is. So nice. So the next thing you have to do now is to filter it. So after filtering my oil, you can see how nice and good it is. So the next thing is to turn it into a bottle or into anything you have, and this is how it comes out as it shows here. So the next thing is that I'm going to apply it on my hair. Then after applying the oil on your hair, you need to massage your hair very well. So guys, that's just it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.